Don't press the button. Oh. Well, someone pressed the button and I exploded. So that is why you should not press the button. Reach the end. Ooh, okay, this will be super duper easy. Because I've done these tons of times. And I am a total pro. Totally not lying. You see, I'm a pro. I did it. I reached the end. And we got 3 winners here, which one of the winners, they died when they went through, but they still counted as they won, so... Okay. What can I buy? Okay, well, I'm broke, so I cannot buy anything. Anyways, I'm waiting for some more winners. Okay, that person died, and I do not want to die. Whose Legos are this? Like, I'm gonna break my foot by stepping on these Legos. Because I'm gonna buy Legos. Isn't this the music to flee the facility? Oh, I'm amazing at this. Totally, yep. Okay. This game is rigged. I'm usually really good at it, but suit yourself. Jump over the spinner. Who will survive? No one knows. Okay, don't fall into lava. Oh, okay. I'm standing on these Legos. Because Legos can't hurt nobody. Is that right? Legos hurt nobody? Actually, no, I just remembered me saying that Legos are not safe, but okay. Oh, I died. Oh, I should have stayed on the Lego. No? This is just sad, but whatever. Suit yourself. You chose me to die. Guess what? I was amazing, so how dare you? Ooh, me. Who pressed it? Oh, that person pressed it. Ugh. Me. Who pressed it? Oh. Oh my god, what dinosaurs? Okay, this is cool. Join the group. Ooh, okay, let's go. Okay, there we go. Me, I will press the button. Oh. I just pressed it. That's not fair. Oh, the trick is to stay balanced and jump if you want to, but not necessary. Just wanted to say it. And I will press the button. I can't resist it. You always got to press the button. Like, have you ever been somewhere and you just and you see a button and it's red, which is especially tempting because it's red, and you press it. I pressed it. Oh. And then why did I die? Oh. I see. This is not fair. The person that clicked the button most amount of times will win. Oh, okay. Oh. I didn't know we started. I pressed the most buttons, but I think I didn't win because, like, you stop standing on this. Okay. Oh. 93? Whatever. I will press the button. I pressed it. Only one door is correct. Reach the... Okay, so it's blue. Someone do it. Because I'm not doing it. I'm not risking my life for any of you. Okay, so it's this one. Oh, you can't cheat. Okay. What if it's that one? Oh, it is this one. Okay. Okay. Wait, not that one. What? No, we didn't get to reach the end. Okay, that was sad. Ah. Oh. Ah, okay. I was like, what? I want to die because I'm amazing. Oh. We got squished to the very top though. That was cool. Jump over the coming lasers? Okay. Wee. Yeah, I did it. Do I win? Oh, this is just cheating. I like to cheat, so... Oh, I want to press it. Who's pressed it? No one's pressing it because everyone's standing on it. Alright, get to the other side. Oh, okay then. Ooh. Oh, there's more. I thought, oh, no. Uh-oh. I got to the other side. Yay. Oh, I have 120 coins. What can I buy? I feel like the sound is too loud for me. There we go. Oh, watermelon? But I want pizza. Oh, I want this gun. It goes bang. Oh, press the button. Okay, reach the exit. I will win first. I hope you get a badge for being first or something. I just died. Okay, that was sad. I was trying to get my parkour skills in, but then I died, so that was pretty embarrassing, but whatever. Okay. Yeah, I did it. My parkour skills finally came in. I was first, and second is the Safari 456 girl. But of course, I'm amazing. So that's why I was first. Wait, this noise is really loud. I hope it gets to the video. Because I can't bear it anymore. Oh, jump over the spinning lasers. Okay, this time I won't lose. Because I'm amazing. Of course, there's cheaters, but I will play this legit. Because I'm amazing. Woo! No, I'm a cheater too. Because I am. But you know, I want to test my jumping skills, so I might go down. But at the same time, I'm not going to, so yeah. Oh, okay, that person almost survived. Oh! Oh. Who else is here? Oh, that's it, okay. I will press the button. Oh. Be careful, they are mines. Oh, I am super careful. What? I just saw someone fly, but okay. I am super careful. There we go. I did it. I'm amazing. You know, I deserve a trophy. You know, stop. Okay, this is why I don't like public servers and I like private servers better. Everyone is always in the way, and they're just not playing fair. So, yeah. I pressed it, I think. Oh, that was not fair. Oh, this is what happens. I just stepped on myself. Oh, fight. I will win. Ah! Oh, okay, I'm gonna die. Wow. Hey. Hello. Wait, where's the other person? Oh, the other person is right. Oh, they got a big hit. Okay. Yeah, I win. I think. Did I win? I think I won. Get to the finish line. Oh, this is not fair. They got a head start. But of course, I will not let no head starts beat me because I am a total pro. Come on. Yeah, clap everyone, clap. I am a total pro. And when I will get there... Oh! You did not see that. Cut that out. Yes, cut that out. I would totally do that myself because I'm totally not lazy. Whee! Oh, no. I am Sonic and I will win because I am Sonic. And this person is trying to race me? How dare you? I am the... Oh! That's so not fair. Okay, whatever. I was just about to win. But so be it. I will be the one to survive. Because I am awesome. Oh, okay. This one. This one. This one. This one. Well, of course, no one can get there now. I mean, unless someone stayed there, but okay. We have seconds to find a building light. What's that mean? What's a building? Oh! Lights out, stay near places with light. Okay. Ooh, here we are. Okay. What happens if you don't? Do you lose? Oh, okay. Uh-oh. Here. Okay. I will win this. You know, I think I'm gonna win because I am amazing. But how are they the winners? What? Why are they? Oh, you have to go over there. Okay, I'm being very stupid right now. But of course I will win. I will make it 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And of course I have made it into this ball pit where Moondrop will come and get me from FNAF's security breach. But of course, I'm overreacting because this is not FNAF. But whatever. Yes. Oh, I love the music in here. I hope none of this music is copyrighted or else I'm gonna get copyrighted. And that is not gonna be good. I'm gonna be demonetized. Unreally. Ooh. Oh, I want these. This looks like one of mine. Ooh, okay. 14. Where's 14? And if you see 14, please shout it out. Because I have 14. No, what? This is so not fair. Okay. Why do people already find theirs? Oh, there's no back here. Seriously? Where is mine? Okay, now this is just unfair. Because mine is not here. Is there more? There's more here. Are you kidding me? Where in the world is 14? This is rigged. There is no 14, is there? This is... That was so not fair. I could have won. What happened? Well, what happened is I am tiny now. Now I can jump really high. Wow, I never knew that tiny people could do this. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. Well, now I'm still tiny. I don't want to be tiny anymore. Okay. Well, press... No. Reach the top. Oh, this will be easy because we got super jumping thing. I think I just got hit. No, are you... Ugh. Yes. I got super speed. You cannot kill me. I got those super speedy legs. I'm Sonic with those super speedy shoes. Like those things. I forgot, but whatever. I made it. I'm amazing. I deserve a trophy. Like, is there actually a trophy here? Because that would be super cool. Oh, a blow dry. Oh, that's not a blow dry. But this is not fair. Oh, I still get one though. Of course, I will win. Because they can kill people here, right? Was that me? Hee. Okay, this is super fun. They shouldn't have let me and glitched me. Because now I am killing everyone while we're in the barrier. So... yeah, this is still... okay, I love this. Well, guess what, Shabugabla, whoever won. I was up here killing you. Well, killing people, but you know what I mean. Okay, mine to find diamond. Oh, no one found the diamond. Oh, I was getting ready. Plus got a higher walk speed. That is not fair. Press the button. Knowledge. Knowledge. Why don't I get... oh, there we go. Knowledge. Is this a meme? Because I don't know this meme. Is this one of those really cool knowledge memes that I missed? Because I don't know this meme. And am I gonna get copyrighted for that? I hope I don't get copyrighted for any of these. So, Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on just in case you want to watch more of these Roblox videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!